Coming in at number 1, we have rustic wooden shelves. These are versatile, attractive, and always in demand. Whether it's for kitchen storage, living room decor, or bathroom organization, rustic wooden shelves add a charming touch to any space. Next up, we have handcrafted cutting boards. These are a favorite among homeowners and make for wonderful gifts. The key here is to use high-quality wood such as maple, walnut, or cherry, and incorporate beautiful patterns through wood combinations. At number 3, wooden furniture pieces take the spotlight. From coffee tables to bedside nightstands, handmade furniture pieces carry a unique charm that mass-produced items lack. Experiment with different styles and finishes to cater to different tastes. Focus on quality craftsmanship and use durable wood for longevity. Moving on to number 4, decorative wooden signs are hot-selling items in the woodworking market. Whether it's inspirational quotes, personalized family signs, or seasonal greetings, these signs add character to any home. Last but not least, we have wooden planters and boxes. With the rising popularity of indoor plants, handmade planters are a sought-after item. These can range from small succulent planters to large outdoor garden boxes. So there you have it, our top 5 woodworking projects that actually sell. Remember, success in selling woodworking projects often comes down to quality craftsmanship, creativity, and understanding your market. Please subscribe to our channel for more woodworking content. Thank you.